First, you're going to want to add your egg to the flour, followed by the peanut butter and the honey. 1 cup of peanut butter and 2 tablespoons of honey. Gradually add your water in. It's going to be pretty messy. I found that it got pretty sticky, and so it was time to get hands on and start using my hands. Put a bit of flour on your hands so it doesn't get too sticky. And yeah, found it to be a lot easier kneading it with my hands than with a spoon. Very sticky consistency, adding a little bit of extra flour really helped. Perfect. Now you're going to want to roll it out. You can pretty much cut whatever shapes you want, get really creative with it and be very detailed as well if you want to, because they don't rise much and they really hold their shape once cooked. And then place in the oven for about 18 minutes or watch until golden brown, as every oven is different. Sit. Riddick. Sit. Sit.